Darren. Next up, the brand new, clearly Donruss football came out today. We have some team breaks still filling. Oh, we have no full breaks after this one. Jeez. Ah, jeez. Someone needs to buy the Jaguars. Well, I actually had to look too, Genova. I didn't know. Here's your draft results. The bottom 4 picks got 2 teams each. What'd you get, Genova? Oh, 11, 13, 27. Dang. For some reason, the price is skyrocketing on this. I don't know why. Does anyone know why? Because the clearly Donruss basketball, I don't think people really liked all that much. This stuff, like, I can't believe how high it is. I could already sell these boxes to somebody else for way more than this than I got, so I don't know. Apparently you got a deal. Maybe it's fake and they'll all crash down to nothing. Inserts are 1 out of 3. Daryl Patterson. Stafford. Look at Brian getting all these Staffords. That's a gold Stafford. De'Ami Brown rookie and Sam Ellinger rookie. Clear downtown. Oh, or just the are the downtown things just selling for $1 billion? I don't know. I actually thought like, oh, we'll have like a, you know, $150, $200 football box that we can use in mixers and stuff. Nah, gotta be $400. George Kittle, Tyreek Hill. Oh, Brian, Aaron Donald to 99. Man, who would have thought the Rams getting everything? Tylan Wallace and Eli Mitchell rookies. Night moves. Brian gets all the good stuff. Tom Brady. Rodgers. Tehoko rookie. Ian Book. And oh, dang! Trevor Lawrence. Darren. Look at that. Loose boxes. I got full cases for our case breaks. I grabbed just the extra loose that they gave me for the 4. Now these aren't from the sealed cases, so I mean it shouldn't really. Yeah, it's definitely. What is that black thing? Jalen Hurts, Kyle Trask, Tony. I'm trying to hide the thing in the back that's definitely Black Barrel. What is this? Chubb. Cool. Justin Fields to 49. Donruss 2001. Darren. Freaking Darren. What's up with that card? Looks good. That was just the first box, right? Oh my god. Are there rookie parallels to 49 and Trevor Lawrence autographs in every box? Mahomes, DK Metcalf, Daniel Jones gold. Yeah, really. Javonte Williams and Kylan Hill rookies. What was all that $1 million box talk? Goff, Corey Davis, Kylan Hill purple rated rookie, not numbered. J.C. Horn and Rondale Moore rookies. My sleeving piles are an absolute mess. I don't know. I don't know. go, Jerry. Baker Mayfield. Damian Harris. Whoa. Tylan Wallace. Got that rated. Look at that. That's crazy. Rashad Bateman and Jalen Darden rookies. I want to look at this more. Ooh. Hey, Rasmus. Got these rated rookie holograms all over it. Do you guys like that, or is that too much? Too crazy? Well, Lawrence didn't have that. Huh. Rated rookie fractor. You like it? Are those really rare? It's not numbered, but it's not a base. What's this? An insert. Diggs. Carr. We have an out of this world Lamar Jackson. Cool. Tim. Kyle Pitts and Des Fitzpatrick rookies. Buzzer factor. I knew that was coming. Hitty. Press all the keys. Tucky Tucker. Jonathan Taylor. Was that Amanda edit? Kylan Hill rookie. Javonte Williams rookie for Cup. Dak Prescott dominant. Wow. There is no way in the world that my wife would ever say, like, did you hear about a player being injured on your team? Never. In 100 years. That's amazing. Tua. Darrell Patterson, Rondale Moore, J.C. Horn, and a gold Javonte Williams rated rookie. Cool. Single malt, what up? That's cool. You think like she got that alert on her phone? Like she actually looks at... Goes that news? Oh, we got a number to 10 parallel. Stafford, Kittle, Darden rookie, Bateman rookie. It is Aaron Rodgers to 10. Awesome. That's a combo spot. Tim got him with the 24th pick or 26th pick. Oh, on Twitter. Pretty cool. Aaron Rodgers, 6 of 10. Stuff seems pretty good. Tyreek Hill, Tom Brady, Des Fitzpatrick, Kyle Pitts, autograph, Kadarius Toney to 99. Is that another combo spot glory? No. Yeah, it is. Darren, 28th pick Giants. Wow. Why do we even have combo spot? Why don't you just tell me the combo spot I should have? James Robinson, Russell Wilson. Des Fitz, same rookies every time. Des Fitzpatrick, Kyle Pitts. Where's all the good rookies? Oh, there's a good rookie. Fehoko, red autograph, number /49 for the Cowboys. Big guy. Big guy just got approved. He's already in a break. He already got an autograph. Can it be any easier? It's easy as that, big guy. He's like, yeah, but it was a Fehoko. Yeah, but still. Herbert. Jalen Darden. It's the same rookies. Rashad Bateman. Every time. Cool Herbert. Derrick Henry and Micah Parsons /25. How about that, big guy? Oh, wait. Yeah, that is big guy. Micah Parsons, rated rookie green /25. Ooh. Pretty nice. Only 50 rookies. Derek Carr, Brandon Cooks, J.C. Horn rookie, Rondell Moore rookie, Anthony Schwartz gold rated rookie. Oh yeah, Contenders has a billion autograph rookies. That's kind of what's fun about it though. It's like it's not cool and cool. You're still like if you anyway. You get one on-card auto per box of Contenders. That's really the one, and then sometimes there's random guys that end up being worth stuff, but that's true. Damian Harris, Stephon Diggs. Hey, it's Kylan Hill, rated rookie, plus Javonte Williams. And Justin Fields, My House. That's a die cut. An acetate die cut. Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare to put in the top loader. Oh, got it. I know I love Contenders too. Look at that. So the autographs for Fehoko /49, Tony /99. That's not an autograph. That's not an autograph. That's not an autograph. I thought I had. That's not the autograph pile at all. Let's try that again. Fehoko Tony, Tylan Wallace with the rated rookie things on it, and Trevor Lawrence. Out of This World, Lamar Jackson and Aaron Donald /99, and Aaron Rodgers /10. Javonte Williams gold rated rookie, the Justin Fields Donruss 2001 /49. Micah Parsons /25. My House, Kylan Hill purple, Matthew Stafford gold, Schwartz gold rated rookie.